Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Minecraft heads. Player heads are fantastic decorative blocks that can add a personal touch to your Minecraft world. They represent other players or custom designs, offering unique aesthetic options for your builds and maps. We'll cover several methods, from in-game commands to external resources, making it easy for you to collect and use these cool items. One straightforward way to get player heads in-game is by using the /give command. This command allows you to spawn items directly into your inventory. Simply type /give at pminecraft, player head skull owner, player name, into your chat, replacing player name with the exact username of the player whose head you want. It's a quick and easy method for creative mode or server administrators. For an incredible variety of custom heads, external websites are your best friend. Sites like Minecraft Heads.com host thousands of unique designs, from food items to furniture. You simply browse, find a head you like, and copy the pre-generated /give command. Then, paste this command directly into your game's chat or a command block, and the custom head will appear in your inventory. Command blocks offer a powerful way to manage and distribute heads, especially for map makers or server owners. You can input any /give command, whether for a player head or a custom design, directly into a command block. Then, by activating it with a redstone signal, the head will be dispensed. This allows for automated head shops or interactive elements in your world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.